In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox Sign and Google Drive. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes, making it a quick task for boosting your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Dropbox Sign and hit Enter. This will lead you to the Dropbox Sign website, which is your first step in initiating the integration process. Once you're on the Dropbox Sign webpage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the sign-up process outlined on their site. Logging in is vital, as it ensures that all your integrations, including this one, are connected to the right account offering the seamless service you need. After logging into Dropbox Sign, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen and look for the sidebar. On this sidebar, you'll see an option named Integrations. Click on this option, which will take you to a new page where you can manage and connect various external services to enhance your digital workflow. Now, as you browse through the list of available integrations, keep an eye out for Google Drive. Once you spot it, you're going to want to click on the Activate button that's right next to Google Drive. This is a crucial step as it initiates the connection between Dropbox Sign and Google Drive, opening up a variety of functionalities that these platforms can offer when used together. The activation process will prompt a request on your screen, asking if you're willing to allow Dropbox Sign to access your Google Drive account. It's important at this juncture to carefully review the permissions so you understand what level of access you're granting. Dropbox Sign needs permission to access your Google Drive in order to integrate and function properly together. If you're comfortable with the access levels, proceed by allowing the connection, thus finalizing the integration process. There you have it. By completing these steps, you've successfully linked Dropbox Sign with Google Drive, allowing for a seamless transition of files and documents between the two platforms. This integration is extremely helpful if you regularly rely on both services for document signing and storage. Remember, having these two tools connected will save you time, reduce the hassle of manually transferring files, and enhance your efficiency overall. If you have any questions or run into issues, both Dropbox Sign and Google provide comprehensive support resources and FAQs that can help you troubleshoot any problem. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Now you're all set to enjoy the streamlined benefits of having Dropbox Sign and Google Drive working together.